It's so cold. Right guys, this is going to be a really short video today. The weather outside is absolutely vile. If you're here in the UK, you know what I'm on about. We've got this bloody beast from the east coming, and yeah, it's snowing and it's really cold today. So today we're actually going to be looking at the number plate bracket options. We also have my little helper in today. Hello. I've gone on eBay and I've bought myself a tail tidy kit for the bike. Bye dog. So I've been online, I've been looking around for a nice little compact unit for a tail tidy kit, and this is what I came across. This is what I found. This is what's going to fit. This is a CNC machine tail tidy kit. I went with this one because it's got a nice compact top bracket which should theoretically bolt straight up to the bottom of the inside of the bike, which should be fine, and it has some adjustable flexibility in the angle of the plate, so that means I can actually lift it up around the wheel because it's going to be a bit of an awkward angle. So it should really be a case of drilling 2 holes and then a nut and bolt job on this. So let's have a go, let's see what we can do, and let's see how this looks on the bike. Tea, 2 sugars please. So as you could see, this thing sits pretty damn low with the bracket that it's on, really close to the tyre. Looking at it, what I might do is remove this top bracket here, cut it down, cut it here, move the bolts up so the whole thing sits higher up against the chassis, because we have the room. Let's get cutting. So we have this bracket all finished off, just need to remove the tape, give it a deburr, and pretty much bolt it on. Like, it's not the biggest of jobs I've had to do on the bike, but it's the details that matter. By cutting down this bracket and making the number plate higher, it just makes it a bit more neat and uniform to the bike. It's necessary really. So the last thing that needs to be done is put this all back together, offer it up to the bike, and see where I need to drill the holes on the underside to actually mount this bracket, because you see it's already got the 2 holes in place, and it comes with nuts and bolts as well. So all I need to do is drill the 2 holes, bolt it on, and we're done. Pretty simple as that. I have left a link in the description for the part I've used if you want to go and take a look. Yeah, so let's get this mounted. So what I have decided to do is drop this bracket inside and bump it up against this, because on the underside it is actually against this part of the flat here. All I need to do is mark the holes and drill from this side down, and that should be it. There we have it. We have a nice neat tail tidy kit. I haven't got a number plate to put on just yet, but I will be in the process of getting one made up very soon. It's just one of those jobs that I needed to get done, and it's going to be needed when I take the bike on the road. So I'm so happy we managed to get this done. As I say, it's short and sweet, it's snowing outside, just a simple little job that we're going to get done today. However, there is one thing I want to talk to you about. That being support. So last week we hit the 6,000 subscriber mark. That there, I cannot believe we are hitting these numbers so soon. I just want to say thank you. Thank you to all you guys for your continued support. You guys are absolutely awesome. This is where it comes to the point where I ask for one little bit more support. I'm not asking for any Patreon donations, which has been mentioned in the past. I don't want to go down that route. But what I want to do is offer you guys something in return. Some of you may know I actually run a page called Tune Lifestyle, and it's an all automotive inspired clothing company. I know it's not for everyone's taste, all these Japanese style designs and prints and everything. I'm going to be setting up a collection of clothing just for you guys, based on the bikes, based on this sort of lifestyle, the videos, the creativity side of things. I thought rather than going down the route of Patreon and asking for donations in that direction, I thought, why not do it where I can actually give back to you guys, where you can benefit from it. I want to bring you guys some stickers, hats, hoodies, t-shirts, accessories based on this passion and you basically. If you've watched my last video, you may have got a hint of one of the designs that I will have for sale. So if you haven't checked that out, go and check that out, link below. But yeah, that's going to be happening really, really soon. But as always, thank you very much for watching. I know this video is a short one, I know it's slightly different from the rest, but if you do want to support this channel, please subscribe, turn the notifications on, like the video, and as always, I shall see you in the next video.